2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Grom. In the vibrant world of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Grom stands out as a unique and playful choice for beginners, seamlessly blending compact design, easy maneuverability, and a sense of fun. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those stepping into the realm of riding, the Grom exemplifies Honda's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an unconventional yet approachable entry into motorcycling. In 2024, the Grom continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, urban exploration, and the sheer joy of navigating the streets on two wheels. 1. Compact and unique design. The Honda Grom boasts a compact and unique design that immediately sets it apart from traditional motorcycles. With its miniature stature, playful styling, and unconventional charm, the Grom exudes a sense of fun that resonates with riders looking for a lighthearted and approachable riding experience. Honda's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Grom not only provides a distinctive look but also stands out as a practical and enjoyable companion for urban exploration. 2. Efficient and user-friendly engine. At the heart of the Grom lies an efficient and user-friendly 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, striking a balance between approachable power and fuel efficiency. Honda's engine design emphasizes ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the thrill of motorcycling. The Grom's engine provides enough performance for city commuting, offering a responsive and enjoyable ride for riders of all levels. 3. Lightweight and nimble handling. Crafted for lightweight and nimble handling, the Honda Grom provides riders with an exceptionally easy-to-maneuver experience. The bike's small frame and compact dimensions make it effortless to navigate through congested city streets, parking lots, and tight spaces. The Grom's nimble handling adds to its versatility, allowing riders to confidently explore urban environments with a sense of freedom and agility. 4. Comfortable and accessible riding position. Designed for a comfortable and accessible riding experience, the Grom features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a relaxed seating position, easy-to-reach handlebars, and mid-mounted foot controls, ensuring that riders of all sizes can enjoy an easygoing and enjoyable ride. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Grom an ideal choice for those seeking a first motorcycle that seamlessly blends comfort with playfulness. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Grom seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional accessories add contemporary functionality without compromising the Grom's unconventional and playful character. Honda ensures that the Grom remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of urban styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Grom stands as a global icon of entry-level riding fun, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its compact and unique design, user-friendly engine, lightweight handling, comfortable riding position, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether navigating busy city streets, embracing the thrill of urban exploration, or simply enjoying the joy of carefree riding, the Grom encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level riding fun. As a symbol of confidence building, urban exploration, and the sheer joy of the beginner's journey, the 2024 Honda Grom rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for